Dear student, today we will discuss about the differentiation. Differentiation means the derivative of a function, which one already you read in first year. If y is equal to function of x, then we can find dy by dx. Here dy by dx is known as the derivative of y with respect to x. Here y is known as what is y? Y is known as dependent variable and x is known as independent variable. Dependent variable and x is known as independent variable. Independent variable. Then dy by dx means derivative of y with respect to x. If dy by dx, if y is a simple function of x, direct we can apply the formula, and using the formula and algebra we can find dy by ds, which already you read in first year. But now we will discuss about the differentiation of a function by chain rule. Differentiation of a function by chain rule. Chain rule means if in place of y is equal to function of x, suppose y is equal to function of gx, another function is given. If y is equal to function of gx, then to find dy by dx, we have to put here, gx as u is equal to gx. If u is equal to gx, then what is y here? Then y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to function of u. Y is equal to function of u. If u is equal to gx, then you can find du by dx, differentiation of u with respect to x. Here y is equal to function of u means we have to find here dy by du. Dy by du. Here u is the dependent variable. Dy by du. Then according to our chain rule, what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Dy by du into du by dx. That is your chain rule. Similarly, if, write a note here, if y is equal to function of g of another function is given. Another function is given. Here there are two functions are given. One is hx is a function, another function of hx is given. Then in this case, you have to put here u is equal to h of x. And similarly, g of hx, that is taken as v. V is equal to g of hx. And y is equal to, what is y? Function of g of hx, which is taken as v here. Then here u is equal to hx means you have to find here du by dx. You have to find du by dx. Here v is equal to g of hx means you have to find here dv by dx. dv by d of dv by g of hx. G of hx means which one, what is hx here? hx is taken as u. So you have to write a g of u. So in this case you have to find here dv by d of u. dv by du. Now solve it. Again y is equal to function of v. Here you have to find dy by dv. dy by dv. According to the formula, you have to find the differentiation, the derivative. Then now our required is dy by dx. So what is the dy by dx? So according to our chain rule, dy by dx can be written as dy by, first we write a dv, then write dv by du into du by dx. This one is your required chain rule. Then so if y is equal to only function of gx, then you can write gx is taken as u and y is equal to function of u. Here if it is function of g of hx, then u is taken as hx, then g of hx is taken as v, which is g of u, and y is equal to your function of v. Then here, then you have to find the chain rule is this one. But if you solve it by direct method, suppose we solve without taking u and v, then the direct method is if y is equal to function of gx is given, then in this case you have to use your gx is equal to u. Then so what is dy by dx? What is dy by dx? Then function of gx means gx is taken as u. Then gx is taken as u means then what is the function of u derivative? Then you have to find df by with respect to u. df by with respect to u means that is your g of x. df in by dg. Again into derivative of u is taken. What is u here? Gx into dg by dx. If dg cancel, you will get dy by dx. Where y is equal to f here, then you can write dy by dg into dg by dx. So here dg cancel, you will get your dy by dx. So you have to first differentiate f with respect to g, again difference with respect to x of g. So take an example. If y is equal to cos of sq plus 11 is given, cos sq plus 11, then find dy by dx, then find dy by dx. Then here y is equal to cos sq plus 11. Already you know the formula for cos x formula, already you know it. So in this case, which one is taken as u? Then here u is taken as sq plus 11. And what is y? Y is equal to cos u, because sq plus 11 is u. Then so u is equal to sq plus 11 means what is du by dx? That is sq derivative. Derivative of sq is 3 square. X to the power n formula apply here. And the differentiation of 11 is 0. Similarly, dy by du. What is dy by du? Cos u derivative is minus sin u, which is equal to minus of sin u. What is u here? sq plus 11. Then so in your according chain rule, then what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx, which is equal to dy by du is equal to minus sin sq plus 11 into du by dx is 3 square. So its answer is minus 3 square sin sq plus 11. This one is your required answer. Again similarly, if y is equal to root over of ax square plus bx plus c is given, then here a, b, c are constant here. Then what is the root over of ax square plus bx plus c? Then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Then in this case, which one is taken as u? Then already you know root over of u. So this portion is taken as a u. So put which one is u? Ax square plus bx plus c is taken as u. What is y here? Y is equal to root over of u. then if y is equal to root u, already you know the derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x. You solve it x to the power 1 by 2 form. Its derivative is 1 by 2, x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. And you also directly remember the formula, derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Then here we have to put here du by dx. Then what is du by dx? We have to take the derivative of, then derivative of ax square plus bx plus c. Then here a is your constant taken outside, a square derivative. What is the derivative of x square? 2x. b is a constant, derivative of x is 1. c is a constant, derivative is 0. So its value is then 2ax plus b. That is du by dx. And similarly, what is dy by du? Then dy by du is equal to, what is its value? The root x derivative 1 by 2 root x, it's 1 by 2 root u. And what is root u? Root u is taken as ax square plus bx plus c. Then by according to chain rule, what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to dy by du into du by dx. Then dy by du is 1 by 2 into root over of ax square plus bx plus c into dy by dx is, what is dy by dx? 2ax plus b. That is the required answer. 2x plus b divided by this one. Then here using u we can solve this way. But if we solve it by the direct method, then if this problem is solved by the direct method, then in what is the direct method? Direct method is we have to choose a function as u. That is cos of sq plus 11 is given. See this question here, y is equal to cos sq plus 11. If you will solve it direct method, then what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx means we have to also choose a function u. Which one is u? Sq plus 11 is taken as a u. That this one is your cos u. What is the derivative of cos u? Cos u is minus sin u into, sin u means which one is u? Sq plus 11 into derivative of sq plus 11. Sq plus 11. Then which is equal to minus sin sq plus 11 into, what is the derivative of sq plus 11? Sq derivative is 3a square, 11 derivative is 0. So its answer is minus 3a square sin sq plus 11. That is the answer. That means cos u derivative means already you know. Then cos u means minus sin u into derivative of u. Similarly, if solve another example using direct method, if u is equal, y is equal to cos of tan inverse x, cos tan inverse x. Then in this case, how can you solve this one? That is your tan inverse x is taken as u. Similarly, if you take your direct method dy by dx, what is its value? Cos tan inverse x is taken as u. This function is u. The cos u derivative is minus sin u. U is tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse x. So which is equal to minus sin tan inverse x into derivative of tan inverse x. According to the formula, the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. That is the answer. Similarly, if another question, if y is equal to, suppose tan inverse 3x cube plus 5x plus 1. Then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Then if y is equal to tan inverse this function, then in this case which one is taken as u? This function is taken as u. Then y is equal to tan inverse of u is given. Then what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx tan inverse u. What is the derivative tan inverse u? Already you know the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So its value is 1 by 1 plus x square, then 3x cube plus 5x plus 1 whole square into derivative of 3x cube plus 5x plus 1. So its value is 1 by 1 plus 3x cube plus 5x plus 1 whole square into 3x cube derivatives. X cube derivatives 3x square, then 3 into 3x square plus 5 into 1. So its value is 9x square plus 5 divided by 1 plus 3x cube plus 5x plus 1 whole square, which is the required answer. So direct method you can solve like this one. Similarly, if y is equal to square root of sine root x is given, then in this case what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to sine root x. Which one is taken as u? Then first sine root x is taken as u. Then sine root x is taken as u means that is the root over of u comes in. Then what is the root over of u? Derivative root u is 1 by 2 root u. Then 1 by 2 into root over of sine root x into derivative of d by dx of sine root x. See here 1 by 2 into root over of sine root x into what is the derivative of sine root x? Sine root x means here root x is taken as u. Then what is its value? Again you have to another apply chain rule. Sine u, root x is u, sine u derivative is cos u, u is root x. Again you have to take the derivative of root x. So its value is cos root x by 2 into root over of sine root x into derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So its value is cos root x by this one is 2 into 2 4 root x into root over of sine root x. That is the answer, which is your required answer. So in this case you have to apply 2 times for the chain rule. Suppose y is equal to sine inverse square root of 1 plus x divided by 2. Find dy by dx. Then in this case which one is taken as u first? This function is taken as u. Then dy by dx means what is its value? Sine inverse u. Its value is 1 by square root of 1 minus u square. What is u? Square root of 1 plus x by 2 whole square into derivative of square root of 1 plus x by 2. So which is equal to 1 by square root of this one is 1 minus 1 plus x by 2 root of square is 1 plus x by 2, and you have to take its derivative. Now this function is taken u here. Then now this one is root u. What is the derivative root u? 1 by 2 root u into again derivative of this function is u. Derivative of 1 plus x by 2. Now simplify this one. If you simplify here, then what is its value? Now this one is take the LCM. Then 1 by root over of 2 is taken LCM. This one is 2 minus 1 minus x. Here is into 1 by 2 into root over of 1 plus x by root 2. Here is 1 plus x 1 by 2 into 1 derivative is 0, x derivative is 1. Then so its value is 1 by, this one is 1 minus x root over by root 2. Here is 1 by multiply here root 2 into root over of 1 plus x into 1 by 2. This one is cancelled here. That is 1 by 2 into root over of 1 minus x square, which is your required answer. So by the chain rule you can solve this one. So you have to solve now exercise 7C and 7D using the chain rule. Thank you.